Hello everyone, this is Alex from Swoosh English. So I've got another OET Listening Part A tips video for you. And I was going through the updated OET 2.0 practice mock exam booklet that I received from OET. And I was going through different examinations and I was looking at different all three Listening Part A examinations. There are three of them in there. And just to give you a very quick background, so Listening Part A, you've got 24 gap fills that you need to complete. You've got 2 extracts that you need to listen to, and it will be between a healthcare professional and a patient. So it could be, I've seen one examinations for dermatologists. Obviously, it could be a doctor, a nurse. It could be any kind of medical professional. And one tip I want to give you today when you're going through and you're practicing these past papers, these sample papers for 2.0. And by the way, before I say that, definitely go to the OET website. They've got 2 full sets of OET 2.0 sample papers for you. So I would highly recommend you to go to the website. They're completely free, so download them, practice them as much as possible. But really what's important when I was looking at those 3 Listening Part A exercises in the booklet is it's really important to use the subheadings down the side where the gaps are that you need to complete with a short word or phrase. So these are the patient's notes that the healthcare professional has written down. Where the gap fills are, to the left of them, you've got subheadings in bold. So you might have a few gap fills for each subheading. It could be, for example, I don't know, family symptoms, family history, initial assessment, ongoing treatment. It could be any kind of subheading that the OET have decided to put in there. And really, what's really important, of course, going from beginning to end, you've got to go through it sequentially. You've got to write down the answers that you think they are as you're listening to the recording, but use those subheadings to your advantage. Do not ignore them, because it's easy to just become fixed and concentrated, focused on those gap fills. What are the answers? But the subheadings will guide you the whole way through. So, you'll be able to see, okay, you'll be able to go through the recording, go, okay, they've just finished talking about the symptoms. Now they're going on to ongoing assessment. Okay, so it'll be able to guide you the whole way through. So it's really important that you don't ignore those subheadings. Use them as much as possible. So you're looking at the subheadings and you're looking back at the gap fills. You're looking at the subheadings, you're looking back at the gap fills. So keep scanning those. Keep obviously you've got time at the beginning to skim through the notes. You've got 30 seconds to look through those gap fills before the recording starts. So keep going back and forth with your eyes from left back to the middle, left back to the middle. Check those subheadings. It's all categorized for you, and it's a really good thing that you've got to use at your disposal. So hopefully that was helpful. If you look at those practice sample papers on the OET website, you'll know what I'm talking about when I'm talking about these subheadings. Use them to guide you. If you're looking for updated OET 2.0 materials, make sure you go to swooshenglish.com, and I'll be giving you more of these tips videos for 2.0 as we go along.